How to fix Coda for Mac not uninstalling. Here's a script file to remove the Coda app from Mac. #bin/bash #stop the Coda application if it is running. If grep coda/dev/null then echo stopping Coda. Killall Coda sleep 2fi #remove the Coda application and associated files echo removing Coda. Sudo rmrf/application/Coda.app rmrf/library/application support/Coda rmrf/library/caches/com.panic.Coda rmrf/library/preferences/com.panic.Coda.plist rmrf/library/WebKit/com.panic.Coda. Echo Coda has been removed. This script will first check if the Coda application is running and stop it if it is. It will then proceed to remove the Coda application bundle and associated files, including application support, caches, preferences, and WebKit data. To use this script, follow these steps. 1. Open a text editor on your Mac, such as TextEdit or BBEdit. 2. Copy and paste the above script into the text editor. 3. Save the file with a .sh extension, for example, remove_Coda.sh. 4. Open terminal on your Mac. 5. Navigate to the directory where you saved the remove_Coda.sh file using the cd command. 6. Run the command mod +x remove_Coda.sh to make the script executable. 7. Run the script by typing /remove_Coda.sh in terminal and hitting enter. This will execute the script and remove the Coda app and associated files from your Mac. Please note that this process is irreversible, so make sure that you want to remove Coda before running the script. For starters, use the recommended Clean My Mac X in this video guide.